Said moving had to be hard was lying because Piece of Cake movers packed up this entire apartment and made it just so much easier for me to focus on the things that mattered. A lot of these things I ended up selling because I'm moving to Florida, but the majority of all of my personal belongings and some of my furniture did come. So I love how they pack my stuff with care. I honestly was able even to just relax and watch them work. I also was able to cook my own food while they were working, which was awesome, and just get a view of how beautiful it was my last few hours in LA. I am so appreciative of this team because they made sure to wrap up all my furniture that I did take, like that white chair I just showed you. And honestly, anything that was breakable, they wrapped up. Everything was just very much so taken care of. And it was really quick. They got to my place at 10 a.m. and they were out of my place by 4 p.m. So honestly, like I said, moving can be a piece of cake. It's just all a matter of who you choose to work with. And yeah, I'm so appreciative. Thank you, piece of cake. You guys are amazing. Highly recommend. And bye, LA. I love you forever.